Hello, I just wanted to demonstrate me using the chisel and the mallet. Oh dear, look at that. What I've done is I've cut slots using the chop saw. This is actually G-clamp rack. It's a G-clamp rack. Okay, so I cut the slots and now I'm chiseling out, I'm cutting out. But it's always good to use, and this one's smaller than this one here, this one's wider. It's always good to use a chisel that fits what you're going to chop out. So this one fits nicely in there for that one. And this one fits in nicely for that one because they're different size clamps I'm going to put in there. So it's a clamp rack. Okay, I'm just going to see if I can show you by demonstrating. I've already done a little bit here, I think. I'm going to have to put you over here. Put your elbow bent on resting on here like this, here. And just keeping really flat. Getting your mallet and just coming across like that, but don't go all the way across because it can tear out at the other end. So in order to do the other side, you have to take it out of the clamp, pull it back again the other way, so that you can do the other side now, and it won't tear it out. Dig it in first of all. Oops. That's it. Quite a clean, it's not too bad. So I've got all them to do now, and then I see what else I can show you that I've done. I've got a back rest here that's gonna, so try and explain what it's all about. This is the right way up, so that's going to go like that. It'll be held like that, and then I've got some heavy duty pieces that I'm going to put into here. Like that. That's because that's in the vise, that's why that's higher, so that's going to be flush with that. It's going to come flush. I'm going to drill through that way to hold this piece on there, and then I'm going to drill the other way to hold it on that way. I'm not sure whether I'm going to put one in the middle yet to support it. Here's a clamp, then we get a large one. That's the largest clamp I've got. And I'll show you, no, that fits in the large one, so I'll get a smaller one. To show you how it's going to work. That one doesn't really. There's a medium size one. Well, it will sit in, it will sit in. It's just because it's in the clamp here. Let's try the other one on the end. There we go. So it shows you that it can't go, it can't fall off. It just cannot fall off and hit you on the head. And I've done it that much bigger against there because the larger one of my clamps, oops, got something in the way there, is, let me just put that back. Focus, that's it. This one goes all the way Ah, that fits. So there, so it actually, you see the end of it there, it sits up against this bar here, and there will be, like I just said on the other one, this is not the actual piece, but there's going to be one there like that, holding that on there. Okay, that's it for now, I think. Yep,